guys, I have Python challenge for you again, and this time the next question is again for the beginner level. Let me remind you. The question is convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Please do it by yourself and then we'll share the answers. Let's see the answers now. We'll get the input from the users again for Fahrenheit. This will be enter. Fahrenheit, RHENHIT. Please ignore the spelling. I'm bad with the spellings. Okay, and then he or she will enter. Let me do it as a float, because if integer will be there, he might enter the result in float or integers. If I write it as float, it will take integers and float as well. So let me put this in var, and then now the formula's part. Celsius will be 5, let me, for minus 32 and into 5 by 9. So this is the formula for the Celsius to convert it in Celsius. Let me now print this much Fahrenheit height is this much Celsius. Let's run this code. Okay, we just ran this code. I mean, let me show it as 50. This has given me in the Celsius point. Let me also again run it and put it in point. Let's 60.0, and this has given me in point. So it's a direct approach. If you have any question, please let me know and stay tuned for the next questions. Bye bye.